Grab your skateboards and a big bottle of lube, kids. We're gonna learn Dammit by Blink-182. All right, let's dive right into that intro. Crank up the gain on your JCM 900 and whatever. Let's learn to play it. Let's play it the right way and let's sound good and use proper guitar technique. Why not? Who cares? We're here doing it. We might as well. Okay, let's jump right into the intro. We're in C major, right? We're gonna start with this C major-ish riff. Middle finger on the 3rd fret of A. We're gonna hit that twice. Then we're gonna hit open D twice. Then we're gonna hit the 2nd fret of D twice. So far we got. Next part of the riff is going to be 3rd fret on the low E string, and then open D to 2nd fret on D. Then we're going to move to open A, same ending notes, and then 1st fret on the E string. So we're going to shift positions, put our 1st finger on 1 on E, and go 2 2 0 this time. So the opposite way. So all together sounds like this. And pay close attention to my picking hand. It would be a really awesome idea if you guys kept your right hands moving and alternate picked through this, right? So we're doing downstrokes on the beats, upstrokes off the beat. So it would be something like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. That way, your hand stays really loose. You can do that for a long time without getting tired. It keeps you in time, right? Your right hand kind of acts as your internal metronome here as a guitar player. So there's your intro. Let's jump right over to the verse. We've got... So those are gonna be our main chords throughout the song, right? We got all power chords, C5, G5, A5, F5, whatever. So we're gonna hit the chord once, and then we're gonna do these muted 8th notes. So we got 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and... So no palm mute on that 1st chord, and then palm mute all the rest of them. Halfway through the verse, we open it up, and we just get... Big 3 hits on that F at the end. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Cool. Repeats those sections quite a few times. And then we're gonna move to the chorus. So the chorus is the same chords again, but we're gonna hold it out for twice as long for each chord. So we got... Incredible. Okay, lead guitar over that part is just hitting a C octave, 3rd fret on the A string. I like using my pinky. You can use your 3rd finger if you're super weird. 5th fret on the G string sounds like this. I can keep this going all day, guys. Anyway, if you're playing this in a band with one guitar, like Blink-182, and you want to hear both parts, you can keep that C in the G string with your pinky and move the roots around. So that would sound something like this. Just a thought. I don't know, who am I? You know, whatever. You don't have to do what I say. You're just watching this video. Let's move right on to the bridge. We get a clean tone set up here. Oop, that sounds like shit. Cool, okay, hey, we're back. This is the bridge, or the interlude, whatever you want to call it. Sounds like this, clean tone for the first time in the song. So we've got, our 1st finger is fretting the 1st fret of the B string. We got open E, open high E, B, G. And then we're gonna play 3rd fret on the B string to open E, back to 1 on B, so. And then the 1st riff again. And then 3, open E, 1 on B. So all together. Cool, and as you're doing that section, because we have those open strings ringing out, it's really important that your fingers on your left hand are curved forward so they can ring out and you don't hear this, because that sounds bad and that would piss me off. then you're back to the chorus chords for the end, that C, G, A, F, and that is how you play Dammit by Blink-182. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit me in the comment section if you have any questions. Let me know what other songs you want to learn, and be sure to subscribe because we have a lot of rock and roll guitar coming your way.